or should work together with the judiciary are the very same ones who are undermining the judiciary. Judiciary finding themselves between the rock and a hard place?
Well,
or rather, how then do they deal with this matter if the institution that you depend on are the ones who are equally not helping you do your job?
You have to understand the legacy of the Kenyan police. It only changed the name from force to service under the Constitution in 2010. The forest may be different, but the monkey, the players are still the same. The mentality with the police service has been that of regime protection. In law and under the Constitution, the police service ought to be neutral. If you look at Article 245, for example, the cabinet secretary in charge of internal security only ought to issue policy guidelines.
Yes.
The operational command of the service is supposed to be under IG Kanja. But increasingly you're seeing the minister, the CS in charge of internal security, issue instructions in the nature of command directions. Right now I saw some photos of the CS internal security, a lawyer and a friend of ours, in New York, going to look at how to structure the Nairobi Metropolitan Police. You ask yourself, these are operational aspects. What is Arthur Johnston Sakaja and Murkomen doing in Washington? These are things that should have been done by IG Kanja and his officers. And you can see how enmeshed politics and the fangs of the executive are with the police service. And we have reports here. We have the Ransley report, the latest being the Maraga report, consistently pointing at the rot in the police service. So Kanja does not feel the obligation to respect the law. His is to respect orders from above. Your listeners and viewers will probably remember, we had this, back then, we had this provincial police officer based in Kisumu. What was her name? Unfortunately, and she was a lady, who said that for them, they don't respect the Constitution and the law. All they know is orders from above and the standing orders. It shows you the mindset that for us, the Constitution and the laws emanating from the Constitution are mere suggestions. And this culture has been nurtured by the politicians. The police is there to protect our interests.
Can you raise something that is very critical then? Because we talk about a police service that changed its name.
Yes.
Not the structure and how they operate.
Yes.
Then if we're talking about the Constitution 2010 that came with all these changes,
yes,